Hello friends, welcome to this channel. Today we are going to see how to flash the code into ESP32 board using the ESP web tools. Later we are going to integrate ESP32 board with the Home Assistant. So let's get started. First thing we need to do is to visit the ESP Home GitHub page. This is the address for that GitHub page. I'm going to provide this address in the description. So you can go through the information given on this page. So we will come over here on trial live demo. For that purpose we need to connect our USB device with the computer. I have already connected my ESP32 development kit with the computer or laptop through the USB port, and I am pressing install. So select the COM port or the UART bridge controller port, that is COM6 for me. I am going to press the connect button. So connection has been established. Now click here on install ESP Home. So click here on install. So installation of ESP Home process has started. Chip has been erased and code is getting flashed into ESP32 board. It will take some time, so we will wait for that. So installation is complete. Press here on next. So it is asking for Wi-Fi credentials. Provide the SSID and the password. I have entered the SSID and password for my Wi-Fi network, and I am clicking on connect. So device is connected to the network. Click here on visit device. This is the web page through which we can do OTA as well, and here is the debug log through which we can see the activities going on. Now we are going to use the binary file which we generated in the last video related to ESP Home. So I am talking about this video, that is integrate ESP Home device with Home Assistant. So this is the YAML file which we generated for the project in the last video. This is the name of the project, test ESP. Platform used is ESP32 and the board used is ESP32 DoIT-development kit-v1, and this is the password for the OTA or the API. These are the Wi-Fi credentials, and this is the static IP. We are going to make use of this afterwards, and this is the functionality related to LED and the ESP Home sensor which we included in the configuration or YAML file. We processed that YAML file and generated the binary file. So we are going to use the same binary file. So ESP home generated this directory called test ESP. We are going to locate that firmware.binary. So this one we are looking for. So we'll go to the ESP Web Tools web page and click here on the choose file. So this is the binary file which we are going to flash into our ESP32 board. Click here on open. Now our file is already selected and we are going to click here on update. So OTA is started, so file is getting uploaded on ESP32 board over there. This will take some time, we will wait for that. So update is successful. Now let us visit the Home Assistant page. Click here on the configuration. Click here on integration. Click here on add integration. Search for ESP home. Now enter here the static IP. Click on submit. Enter the password, that is 1234. Click on submit. So configuration is created. Click here on finish. So one device is added. Click here on one device. So this is our device test ESP. You can see the ESP32 Hall sensor value and LED light status is available here. Let us click over here on this switch to turn the LED on. So LED is turned on. On the ESP32 board you can see LED is on. Now turn the LED on by turning this switch off. So LED on ESP32 board is off. We will add this device in the dashboard of Home Assistant. Click here on edit dashboard under the overview tab. Click here on add card. Select this button. Save this button. Right now LED light is off. Just click here to turn the LED on. So LED on ESP32 board is on. Click here to turn the LED off. So LED on ESP32 board is off. Click here on add card. Add the entities. Save the entities. Now you can see the ESP32 hall sensor value is available over here, and you can operate the LED light from here. So let us click on this lamp. Right now the LED on ESP32 board is off, so brightness is 0 over here. So let us change the brightness to 50%. So now you can see the LED brightness on the ESP32 board. It is not fully bright. So let us make the LED fully bright by changing the brightness to 100%. Now you can see the brightness of the LED on the ESP32 board has increased. It is fully bright. So we have successfully integrated the ESP home based device with the Home Assistant. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, then give the thumbs up. Share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks again and have a good time.